In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using templates and GetResponse. This is a great way to get your site up and running quickly, especially if you're new to website building or want to streamline the process. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have all the details you need to create a professional-looking website with ease. Let's start by heading over to the GetResponse dashboard. If you haven't already logged in, you'll want to do that now. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a variety of tools and options available. What we're looking for here is the Tools menu, so go ahead and click on that. After you click on Tools, you'll see the option for the Website Builder. This is where the magic happens. Click on Website Builder and it will take you directly to where you can start creating your new website. Next, you'll want to click on Create Website. This is the button that will allow you to start from scratch or use a template. For this tutorial, we'll focus on using a ready-made template, which can save you a lot of time and effort. When you choose to use a ready-made template, you'll be presented with several options. This is your chance to browse through different template designs to find one that best fits your needs and style. Whether you're building a website for business, personal use, or a special project, there's likely a template that will suit your requirements perfectly. Once you've found the template you like, the next step is to click on Use Template. This action will load the template into the editor, allowing you to start customizing it to make it your own. Now that you've got the template open, you can begin editing it to your preferred design. This is where you can tweak the text, imagery, colors, and layout to match your vision. The goal is to tailor it so that it reflects your brand or personal style. Once you finish making your edits, you can move forward by clicking on Next, Connect Domain. This will lead you to a page where you can input your website's name. You're building an online presence here, so choose a name that represents you well. After inputting your website name, you'll need to input your domain name. This is an essential step, as your domain is the address that visitors will use to find your site online. Make sure it's easy to remember and relevant to your content or business. Finally, all that's left to do is click on Publish. This puts your website live on the internet, making it accessible to anyone who has the link or discovers it through search engines. And there you have it. You've successfully created a website using templates and GetResponse. Whether you're looking to create a robust business website or a simple personal page, GetResponse offers the tools and flexibility to make it happen effortlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and happy website building.